How could you get that piece of paper off there without moving the glass or knocking the nickel over? Welcome to Midnight Science Club here at Faraday Studios. I'm Wizard Jake Wizard. What number am I?
4.
Number 4. As a matter of fact, I even, just for you guys, I got out the royal hat. I did. I only take it out about once a year. What does it say on there?
4.
4. How do I look? Looking good. That's the right answer. You got that? Did you guys all hear that? This is an old trick that Michael Faraday did a version of this 200 and some years ago because he was working with electricity and stuff, and people were afraid of it. And when Faraday started making sparks, people were going, hey, now that's not right. I don't know about this. So this was an activity that, like, gosh, I've seen this, done this for a long time. So you recognize what I've got because you're all going to do this. What do I have here?
Got some graph paper that's all cut up, and you have some nickels and some shot glasses.
Oh, you call it a shot glass. You know these things. Okay, the man's been around. But here at the lab, we call this a small glass. This was the activity that they did. We took a coin and set it up on edge, just like this. What can I say? Are you with me so far? A little hand, please. For the old man to do that, and then I'm going to balance a piece of this paper on top of that. Amazing, right? Then I'm going to set this cup over the top very carefully. Without moving the glass, how do I get that piece of paper off of the coin without knocking the coin over or moving the glass? So you have to think for a while. Grab your beard. How could you get that piece of paper off there without moving the glass or knocking the nickel over? Are you pondering?
I'm pondering.
He's pondering. You can look closely at his ears. The steam is coming out there.
Because I'm pretty sure nickel's magnetic.
I don't think nickels are magnetic.
Oh, yeah, no. Because I was thinking if they were magnetic, then you could like stick a magnet and make the nickel move, and then that would not.
A little test thing here. Oh, that's a very strong. Yep. Well, we tested your hypothesis.
Yep. And it did not work.
It did not work. You notice how he brought me that's what being the wizard is. People bring you things. You got any ideas?
Tap, but not knock the nickel over and the paper falls off.
You see what's going on in his head? He's thinking like a scientist. He's picturing it in his head. He's modeling it. That's pretty cool. Well, why don't you try it? Try tapping that. Well, I wonder how long he could do that. You know how you feel about that one?
But you got to be really careful on moving the paper, not the nickel.
Well, let's ask anybody in the room. Anybody got an idea out there? Hey, Deuce, what are you thinking? Deuce, you got any ideas? You're a mechanical engineering student.
I'd say our best option here would probably be
some sort of radiation thing or something.
Static electricity, like a balloon.
Yeah, because static electricity is strong enough to move the paper, but not the nickel, because nickel weighs too much.
See, give that man a hand. He just pulled it. Dude, you did it.
I mean, what can I say?
What can I say? Static electricity. That I'll knock charged particles. Sometimes it's electrons, sometimes it's other charged particles, but we stroke that rod, we put some on there. So you want to try doing that? And in case we have an accident, everybody say, goodbye, Elliot.
Goodbye, Elliot.
Bye, Elliot, just in case. He's going to put a static charge on that rod.
Well, we'll see if it's strong enough.
Oh, yeah, it's strong enough. Okay, you see the paper move? Try rubbing this on your chest. Right there. Static. One direction. Just go like this. You did it. Give that man a hand. He got it off there. Give that man a hand. Hey, thanks for joining us. And this is Cooper and
Elliot
and
Lizzie.
And they're all members of what?
Midnight Science Club.
Everybody say goodbye.
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 Bye.